Hey guys, it's Prince here, and today I'm gonna show you how to check your SD card if it's original or not. Actually, it's an application that can tell you if your card is original, and I'm using Galaxy Note Edge for testing it. And right now I'm using Transcend 32GB SD card, and the application name is SD Insight. I already installed it from Play Store. You can see here this one, SD Insight, and if you can see here I'm using Transcend 32GB SD card. So let's open the application. It can tell some information like the manufacture date of the SD card and the size and the model, and it says something like GLX Corporation. That's good. This card is manufactured almost a year ago, and we can check the built-in card, which is MMC card. Yeah, that's original Samsung Electronics, 32GB, actually 31GB. That's the built-in memory of phone, manufactured in 2015 February, and that's the model. And if you go to SD card, we can look up for more information from this icon here, and it can tell some basic information about the SD card. So today I have some SD card. This one is 16GB from Kingston. This one is SanDisk 16GB. This one is Transcend, also 16GB. And this one is United 64GB, and the last one is United 128 gigabits. So let's test it out. So I'm gonna remove this SD card and install a different one, and let's see if they are original. So for that I'm gonna go in Smart Manager, on Storage and Details, and here you can unmount the SD card. It says unmounted, so now I can safely remove. If I show you in detail, this was the card we just saw. So let's put it on the side. So the first card I'm gonna try is Kingston 16GB. It says Taiwan. You can see in detail here. So I'm gonna insert it. Yes, you can see here it's detected. So let's go back to application, SD Insight, and now it says Toshiba, and that's manufacturing date is so old, 2012. I'm actually amazed that why this card is not showing Kingston, because the card says Kingston but now it's saying Toshiba. Well, let's try another one. And now let's try this SanDisk Ultra 16GB. And let's go back to application SD Insight. That's the original card. Guys, you can see here it says SanDisk 16GB, manufacturing date is July 2013. Let's look for more information. Manufacturer is SanDisk Corporation, and manufacturing date is July 2013. The card size is 16GB. This one is original, as you can see here. So let's unmount this one and try another one. Okay, the next card is Transcend 16GB. Let's try this one. Let's go back to application SD Insight. And now this one also says SanDisk, even though it is Transcend. And this one is manufactured in November 2002, also 16 GB. If we look up for more information, you can say SanDisk Corporation, SanDisk Corporation, and as well 16 GB. So let's try some bigger cards. And unmounted. Now this one is United 64 GB. Let's insert it. And this one is totally fake. As you can see here, this says origin is unknown, but manufactured in January 2016, and size is 64 GB. Yes, it's showing 64 GB size, but the origin is unknown, means this card is fake, but maybe work good as well, not sure. And you can see here it says manufacturer unknown, and size is 64 GB. And let's try the last one. This one is totally fake. You can see it's saying unknown. So go into Smart Manager, Storage, Details, and Unmount, and it says unmounted. So let's remove it. And now the biggest card I have, last one, is United 128 GB. And it says something like Fisson Electronics Corporation. Model is SD128. Manufactured in February 2016. That's nice. If you look up for more information, you can see manufacturer is Fisson Electronics. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Fisson or Sison, I don't know. And you can see it says size 126 GB. 126 GB. That's nice. And it has a manufacturer. It's not unknown, so this card can work well, or you can say it can give good performance, not as this one. This one is totally fake. You saw all the cards shows SanDisk and some Toshiba, something like that, but this one is said unknown, means this one is totally fake. So you can find this application in Play Store for older models, but if you're running NuGet 7.0, you can download it from Google. Just search SD Insight APK and it will give you a file link. Just download it and install it in your phone. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and peace out.